Well, thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you, everybody. Good morning. Okay, right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you, Charles. Thank you very much, Brandon, for a fantastically well-organised campaign. I think it did a lot of credit, as Brandon has just said, to our party, to our values and to our ideals.
L-eks-Sindku ta' Londra u s-Segretarju tal-Istat għall-Affarijiet Barranin Boris Johnson se jkun il-Prim Ministru l-ġdid tar-Renju Unit wara li kiseb id-doppju tal-voti tal-avversarju tiegħu Jeremy Hunt fit-tellieqa għas-siġġu illi tħalla battal minn Theresa May. May ħabbret ir-riżenja tagħha f'Mejju li għadda wara li falliet milli tikseb ftehim siewi dwar Brexit. Issa, Boris Johnson se jkun it-tielet Prim Ministru li se jinnegozja għal ftehim dwar Brexit li jikseb l-appoġġ kemm tal-Unjoni Ewropea u kemm tar-Renju Unit. Ir-riżultat tal-elezzjoni għat-tmexxija tal-Partit Konservattiv u attwalment tal-Gvern Ingliż tħabbar it-tlieta wara nofsinhar, ftit tal-minuti biss wara li Theresa May temmet l-aħħar laqgħa tal-kabinett u ħarġet minn Number 10 f'Downing Street. B'kollox ivvutaw madwar 160,000 membru tal-Partit Konservattiv b'Johnson jaqbes 92,000 vot, jiġifieri 66% tal-voti. Jeremy Hunt kiseb 47,000 vot jew 34% tal-voti.
It was a privilege to serve in her cabinet and to see the passion and determination that she brought to the many causes that are her legacy, from equal pay for men and women to tackling the problems of mental health and racial discrimination in the criminal justice system. Thank you, Theresa. Thank you.
Fid-diskors tar-rebħa Johnson qal li huwa ċert li bosta huma xettiċi dwar l-irwol il-ġdid tiegħu, iżda sostna li l-Partit Konservattiv illi dejjem ta' importanza lill-istint uman u għall-aħjar għażla biex jikseb ir-riżultati mixtieqa dwar Brexit.
And today, at this pivotal moment in our history, we again have to reconcile two noble sets of instincts, between the deep desire for friendship and free trade and mutual support in security and defence between Britain and our European partners, and the simultaneous desire, equally deep and heartfelt, for democratic self-government in this country. And of course, there are some people who say that they're irreconcilable, and it just can't be done.
Iżda Boris Johnson ħalef li sal-31 Ottubru illi ġej ir-Renju Unit ikun ħareġ mill-Unjoni Ewropea.
And I think that we know that we can do it and that the people of this country are trusting in us to do it, and we know that we will do it. And we know the mantra of the campaign that has just gone by. In case you've forgotten it, you probably have. It is deliver Brexit, unite the country and defeat Jeremy Corbyn. And that is what we're going to do.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.